Harpy.
Yes, Evangeline. Okay, now draw the nose about. It has to be here, so the people can copy.
Here then.
Oh, no way. That looks like a cat's nose. Now, line down.
And then a mouth, I guess.
Yeah, but it's gonna be a happy mouth.
Dee dee dee. Why don't we write ha ha ha? Oh, I will disqualify Christmas. Should I only draw the head because I drew the head so big, but there's not much space in it. Oh boy.
Might draw the eyebrows.
You can't really see this thing.
And mine looks like a rabbit.
Let me draw mine. Perfect circles. Eyeball.
Yeah.
And then another eyeball. Hello.
And then another eyeball inside, and then the catchlight. The eyeball, the catchlight, and colouring the pupil. Now draw the eyebrows. But
Cheeky eyebrows. It's a bit bushy. And this guy. Yes, so happy.
we're going to colour in the eyebrows.
But I think it was supposed to have a sad face because it was sad because it was Christmas before the story of the Grinch happened. The idea was to break Christmas.
Steal Christmas. And I'll do the other eyebrow.
Yeah. They do usually bring eye.
My eyebrows look a bit too bushy. Daddy, can we restart?
No, you may
Dad,
not.
can you restart? Mine is so bushy.
You may not start again. A face, a chubby face with little hair. It looks like an egg face.
I sure you look a nice.
Okay, now whose looks better? The funny one, Harper's, or the nice one, me?
No, the long-faced one. Hey, I told you not to shut it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, scarf.
Oh, Daddy. What happened to my scarf?
It looks like he's poking out from a corner.
No.
And there's not much space for me.
Oh no.
Then I smoothed on the bottom.
And then
Oh no, there's not much space.
the leg.
Now can I grab because he's standing sideways and he's about to fall?
No.
No, I'm gonna make him.
No,
want
we
to
finished
be here.
drawing the Grinch.
I've
Now
done
we
your
have to
hair.
colour in.
La la la. This is the hill when he's coming down. And he didn't see there's a pond. I'm gonna draw.
Remember to draw some pondweed.
Yeah.
What's that?
Fish.
The scar.
Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. The behind scarf down here. Whoa,
Your colouring doesn't have to be neat.
Wait.
Okay.
Hey, how are you already finished colouring Grinch into? I'm just only on the
Because I
red.
am.
Oh, can you just wait for me? Yeah.
Wait, you're going to do the head and the body different colors?
No, it's because I'm just going to do the eyes first because it might go in the eyes.
16. So yours is just 16 centimeters long. You know, there's numbers here.
Grinch. Nice, Grinch.
Well done, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.